Last week, the Office of the Chief Justice issued a notice that broadcast media will not be allowed to broadcast the proceedings. This prompted media organizations through the South African National Editors Forum to act. SANEF's legal representative made a request to the courts for the media to be permitted to record the proceedings.
Our client SANEF was incredibly concerned by the first ban. We live in a constitutional democracy where the principles of open justice and media freedom are incredibly important. And when there are matters that are of such public interest, it is incredibly important that the media can share that information with members of the public so that their right to access information can be advanced.
The court then gave media organizations until Friday to make applications to the court for live broadcasts of the proceedings. On the case, funding issues have led to further delays. Some of the accused have told the court they lack funds to pay their legal representatives.
We heard that two of the accused were still not represented. Their attorney on record had to then withdraw, and there was talks about legal aid and judicial representation for them. And then also accused number 9, via their attorney, advised that they made representations as well as objections to the charges. It was for this reason that obviously the trial could not proceed further, and the matter was remanded to the 11th of August, hopefully to get some idea from the legal aid regarding representation of these accused and also on a way forward.
Gumede has requested the courts that she be tried separately. Her supporters say if the delays continue, this will likely impact negatively on her political career.
You know, she's on a step aside. So obviously, if this cloud keeps on hanging on her head, then it has a huge impact on her political career as a person who, as you would know, in the conference that said 2 weeks ago, the KZN conference, she was nominated by other regions to serve in a particular position. Had this matter not been hanging over her head, she would have been elected uncontested for that position. So really, it's taking its toll on her.
Vusi Kumalo, SABC News, Durban.